Welcome back to our channel where we bring you the most insightful book summaries. In today's video, we'll be delving into one of the most transformative self-help books of all time, The Success Principles by Jack Canfield. This book is a roadmap to achieving your highest potential and leading a successful, fulfilling life. So, let's dive into the summary of this incredible book. But before we dive into the content, I kindly request a moment of your time to appreciate this video by liking it, subscribing to the channel, and ringing that notification bell. Your support means a lot to me. Thank you so much. Written by renowned motivational speaker and co-creator of the Chicken Soup for the Soul series, Jack Canfield. The Success Principles is a comprehensive guide to unlocking your true potential and creating the life you desire. With over 50 principles outlined in the book, Canfield lays out a step-by-step blueprint for achieving success in all areas of your life. The Success Principles condenses 64 lessons Jack Canfield learned on his journey to becoming a successful entrepreneur, author, coach, and speaker into 6 sections, which will help you transform your mindset and take responsibility and control of your own life, so you can get from where you are to where you want to be. The Success Principles by Jack Canfield is a self-help book that outlines 64 principles for achieving success in all areas of life. It offers practical strategies for overcoming obstacles, taking action, and creating a fulfilling life. The Success Principles offers practical and detailed principles to help anyone lead a more successful and fulfilling life. Author Jack Canfield draws upon stories and anecdotes from people who have achieved ambitious goals and experienced what it's like to be highly successful. Jack Canfield is a best-selling author and success coach. He co-founded the inspirational book series, Chicken Soup for the Soul, 40 of which have become the New York Times bestsellers. He is the author of Dare to Win and The Aladdin Factor, a keynote speaker and highly respected corporate trainer. The Success Principles is a remarkable book that offers practical advice on achieving success in various areas of life. Here's why this book is worth reading. It provides a comprehensive guide to success, covering topics such as goal setting, mindset, self-confidence, and perseverance. Backed by inspiring stories and real-life examples, it motivates readers to take action and strive for their goals. The book's holistic approach to success, addressing both personal and professional aspects, makes it a valuable resource for anyone looking for self-improvement. Here is a sentence showcasing the greatness of a quote of this book. You must take responsibility for removing "I can't" from your vocabulary. Jack Canfield. Jack Canfield is mostly known for co-authoring dozens of books throughout the 90s for a series called Chicken Soup for the Soul. The books are a compilation of personal, inspirational stories from the author's clients, friends, and customers, which are meant to show that no matter who you are, you can make big things happen. The Success Principles is the result of Jack looking back on 40 years of motivating people, drawing lessons from his own life, and thus creating a legacy that people will be able to learn from long after he's gone. These are the 3 things that struck me the most. Stop complaining. Have a completion weekend to clear your slate of all unfinished business. You can die from negative thoughts, so think positively. Ready to take the first step towards claiming the life that you deserve? Let's do it. Lesson 1. Stop complaining. Remember yesterday's example with your dollars being passengers on a bus? This lesson is exactly what that's about. You are the director of your own life. There's no way of denying that. But that's exactly what complaints are. Every time you blame the government, your boss, or the economy, because you're not where you want to be, there's really only one person at fault. For example, if you think you're not being paid enough, because you can never save enough money to go on vacation, ask yourself how you spent the last $500 you got as a gift, raise, or end-of-year bonus. Did you get a new TV? What if you had instead invested it into an index fund? It just might have been the investment you needed to pay for that cruise 3 years later. What are you doing or not doing to end up in the situations you're in? Every time you want to complain, ask yourself this question instead, and you'll slowly start to take control and responsibility for your own choices. Lesson 2. Make decisions about all unfinished projects in one weekend. I'm so guilty of this. How many unfinished projects do you have? Think about work, your hobbies and side projects, and friends you've been meaning to catch up with for ages. Since Christmas, I have a reminder in my phone to call an old friend. For months, There's an entire Trello board of potential would-be projects that I haven't gotten around to. I bet your life's not different. Jack has a brilliant suggestion to solve this problem. He calls it a completion weekend. Go through all of your lists, ideas, projects, relationships, and to-dos and take one of the following 4 actions for each one of them. Do it. Delegate it. Delay it. Dump it. Just making a decision for every single thing you've got on your list will massively lighten the mental load on your brain and free plenty of precious thinking space. Whether you decide to delay it until June, hand it off to someone else, or scrap the project altogether, as long as you're consciously choosing, you'll feel a lot better. 2 finished projects are better than 15 ones where you've done half and then stopped. So get on this and enjoy the relief that comes with it, which will allow you to focus on what really matters. Lesson 3. Think positively, because your thoughts can mean life or death. Here's how much what you think of yourself actually matters. Nick Sitzman was a railroad construction worker. One day, all of his colleagues left work early, but Nick was accidentally locked inside a refrigerated freight wagon. Of course, all screaming and making noises was useless. No one could hear him. The thought that he might freeze to death would not leave his mind. Hopeless and scared, he started edging his last words into the wagon floor with a knife, leaving a parting message for the world. Sure enough, when his coworkers came back the next day and opened the wagon, they found Nick dead. The autopsy showed that he had indeed died from hypothermia. But the wagon wasn't even cooling. The cooling system wasn't turned on. Temperature inside the wagon never dropped below 50 F or 13 C. Just by freaking out and thinking he was certainly going to die, he did. As scary as this story may sound, there's an upside to it. The same holds true in the opposite direction. If you unconditionally love yourself, see your misconceived notions about yourself, like thinking you're fat or lazy, for what they really are, fears. You can then move past them and let positive thinking propel you towards your dreams. So beware your thoughts. They matter more than you might think. The Success Principles is a very philosophical book, with a similar message to books from other authors of Jack's generation. Some of the techniques reminded me of The Miracle Morning. Jack talks a lot about visualization and affirmations. I really loved the completion weekend exercise. It spoke to me since it's exactly what I need most myself right now. Those are the individuals who truly deserve to immerse themselves in this extraordinary book. Anyone who wants to learn proven principles for success. Anyone aspiring to lead a more meaningful and fulfilling life. Anyone who's ready to change their routine and pursue their dreams. The 31-year-old manager, who has more unfinished projects on his desk than he can count. The 47-year-old single mom, who's constantly worried she might never find a husband again. And anyone who keeps complaining about what's reported in the news. One of the key principles discussed in the book is taking 100% responsibility for your life. Canfield emphasizes the importance of owning your choices and taking control of your circumstances, rather than playing the victim. By adopting a mindset of accountability, you empower yourself to make positive changes and create the life you envision. Another crucial aspect of the Success Principles is the emphasis on setting and achieving goals. Canfield stresses the importance of defining clear, specific goals and creating a plan of action to accomplish them. By breaking down your goals into manageable steps and maintaining focus and determination, you can turn your dreams into reality. Gratitude and positive affirmations are also key components of Canfield's Success Principles. By expressing gratitude for the blessings in your life and practicing positive self-talk, you can shift your mindset towards optimism and abundance. This shift in perspective lays the foundation for attracting more positivity and success into your life. Stepping out of your comfort zone is another principle highlighted in the book. Canfield encourages readers to embrace discomfort and challenge themselves to try new things and take risks. By pushing past your limiting beliefs and fears, you open yourself up to new opportunities and growth. Visualization and affirmations play a significant role in manifesting your desires. Canfield teaches readers how to create a clear mental image of their goals and regularly visualize themselves achieving success. By reinforcing these positive images with belief and action, you can accelerate your progress towards your aspirations. Now, as you reflect on the powerful insights shared in the Success Principles by Jack Canfield, consider how you can start applying these principles to your own life. Take the first step towards your goals by embracing responsibility, setting clear intentions, and cultivating a positive mindset. Remember, success is a journey, and each small step forward brings you closer to your dreams. Journaling can be a powerful tool in implementing the success principles in your daily life. Take the time to reflect on your progress, celebrate your wins, and identify areas for improvement. By documenting your journey and holding yourself accountable, you can track your growth and stay motivated on your path to success. Self-care is essential for maintaining a strong foundation for success. Make time for activities that nourish your mind, body, and spirit, whether it's exercise, meditation, or spending time in nature. Prioritizing your well-being will not only increase your productivity, but also enhance your overall quality of life. Building a strong support network is another key aspect of success. Surround yourself with positive, like-minded individuals who inspire and motivate you. Seek out mentors and allies who can provide guidance and encouragement as you pursue your goals. Remember, success is not achieved in isolation. It's a collaborative effort. Failure is an inevitable part of the success journey. Instead of seeing setbacks as obstacles, view them as valuable learning experiences. Embrace failure as an opportunity to grow stronger, refine your approach, and move closer to your goals. Remember, every successful person has faced challenges along the way. It's how you respond that defines your path to success. The Success Principles by Jack Canfield is a treasure trove of wisdom and guidance for anyone looking to achieve their full potential. By internalizing these principles, taking action, and staying committed to your goals, you can create a life of abundance, fulfillment, and success. Here are some valuable insights extracted from this captivating book. I believe you will find them highly beneficial. Feel encouraged to explore its wisdom further and let it spark new perspectives and ideas on your journey. 1. Enough complaining. No more excuses. You are responsible for the course of your life. Are you ready to ditch your unfulfilling daily routine and start living your dream life? Then let's get started. The first thing you need to understand on your journey to personal and professional success is that you are the director of your own life. When we fail, we often look for an excuse, blaming the failure on things that happen to us. But how these events affect us in the long run depends on how we respond to them. Imagine one circumstance where you receive $400. You could buy something nice for yourself or invest the money in a mutual fund. If you opt for the former, you have no money left. If you choose the latter, you have made an investment on which you can later build and earn even more money. A much wiser decision. So if you want to start seeing improvements in your life, you need to change your responses. It's far too easy to just complain about your circumstances. But if you pay more attention to how you're living and the choices you're making, you'll soon see whether you're on the right path to success. For instance, you're either fit or out of shape. Ask yourself, what are you doing or not doing to make your body this way? If your goal is to lose weight, you'll need to be aware of your daily calorie intake and your level of activity. Be honest with yourself. Do you eat well? Should you cut out chocolate or junk food? No one says that change is easy. It requires discipline, persistence, and some experimentation. 2. Finding your purpose in life will help you better define what success means to you. What if you're not sure what personal success would look like for you? Relax, you're not alone. Slow down and take some time to contemplate. One of the first steps toward personal success is to examine your reason for being. Why are you here on Earth? The life purpose exercise can help you discover this. 3. When you visualize your dream, you should be able to see it, smell it, and feel it as if it was real. How do you push beyond your comfort zone toward achieving your vision? 2 practices, affirmation and visualization, can help you. Affirmation starts when you state your goal as if it has already been realized, in a complete sentence. The most effective affirmations are in the first person, are positive and to the point. For to succeed, be persistent, Never give in to no, and don't forget to practice, practice, practice. Now that you're well on your way to achieving ultimate success, you'll need to prepare yourself for potential obstacles and, if you depend on others, possible rejection. Rejection is just a speed bump on the road to success. If someone says no, just keep trying until someone says yes, while keeping in mind your next step. 5. Clear your slate of unfinished business or projects. Do it, delegate it, delay it, or dump it. Now that we've explored the fundamentals of success, let's focus on some work you need to finish before you can really achieve your dreams. First, you need to address unfinished business. Do you have any projects you've abandoned or left half done? Do you need to clean your closet or finish last year's taxes? These small things can take valuable energy from achieving your larger goals. 6. We are our worst enemies when it comes to believing in ourselves. Think positively. Once you've taken care of unfinished business, you'll hopefully feel like you're already making significant progress toward your goals. Now, let's make sure that your thoughts are in order too. Face it, you're often your own biggest enemy. Most of us harbor negative thoughts about ourselves, so-called limiting beliefs, where we fixate on the things we think we can't do. This mentality can be very damaging, as this one example shows. 7. Building a support team chock full of successful people can help you reach your goals. Having personal resolve is crucial on your path to success. But you can't walk that path on your own. Highly successful people always have others to inspire or mentor them along the way. One thing you can do is to create a support group. You can do this by gathering a so-called mastermind group, a supportive circle of people with whom you can share ideas and challenges. Support others, and they will support you in return. Create meaningful, honest relationships. To get the most benefit out of your support network, you must first lay a solid foundation of honesty and appreciation to build meaningful relationships. Telling the truth can be scary, but we must tell the truth if we are to create and foster our connections with others. 9. Being a wealthy person means so much more than just having a lot of cash in the bank. Do you agree that money is the root of all evil? If so, you need to redefine what wealth means to you. Most of us think that wealth is only about money, our assets or possessions. However, it's much more than that. Wealth also contains intellectual, human, and civic facets. In conclusion, The Success Principles by Jack Canfield is a powerful guide to unlocking your full potential and creating a life of success and fulfillment. By incorporating these principles into your daily routine and mindset, you can set yourself on the path to achieving your goals and living your best life. You can find the link to acquire a copy of this incredible book in the description below. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more book summaries and self-improvement content. And remember, success is within your reach. Keep striving for greatness. Until next time, take care and stay motivated. If you're inspired to dive deeper into the principles of success, be sure to grab a copy of The Success Principles by Jack Canfield and join our community on social media for more motivational content. Together, we can empower each other to reach new heights of success. Until next time, remember to believe in yourself and keep chasing your dreams. Stay motivated and see you soon.